Why else is upgrade so different? Upgrade is a brutal DDL workload. So when we look, and our teammate Cindy did a quick check on 11.204 to 19C non-CDB upgrade. And we do 2,500 alter statements, so mostly alter tables, but also types, users, 16,500 create or replaces for views, types, synonyms, procedures, and so on. So be aware that happens mostly in system table space. Also, a few of these things are in sysargs, but it's mostly a brutal DDL workload in the system table space. And it gets even more challenging if you do this now for 50 PDBs at the same time, and they all hammer in the master dictionary of the CDB dollar root. So be aware, it's a very unique, very, very different workload. Then during database upgrade, the database is in upgrade mode. And the upgrade mode is a very special mode. Or to be precise, the database, when you look in the alert log, there's an alter database open migrate. And with that command, a lot of things happen in the background, things which are not visible to you. For instance, we suppress expected errors. We have a long list of conditional suppressed errors. So we say, okay, if that object type gets changed and this error code is coming, then we don't signal an error because we know the upgrade scripts are rerunnable. So we can restart them over and over again. And in order not to run in errors, when we do a create or replace of things and a create table where the table is already there, we suppress certain errors. SysDBA privilege is required, and in addition, we turn off a lot of functionality. So this snippet is taken from the alert log from an old upgrade. Today, you don't see this anymore because there was a fix which had nothing to do with upgrade, but now these messages are all suppressed. You don't see them anymore. But we turn off system triggers, we turn off undo, auto-tune, undo retention gets set to a specific value. We turn off advanced queuing, and so on and so on. Recycle bin is off, and much, much more. So this happens in the background. We don't show you that, but trust us, this happens when you start up your database in upgrade mode. And the reason why this happens in the background is to prevent any unexpected things and creates like a sandbox mode for the database upgrade to have no trouble with starting jobs in the background or whatever. Now, it's also ensuring that we have exclusive access. So cluster database is false when we upgrade, no system triggers, no resource manager, unfortunately also no AWR. This is a bit of a tricky piece because if we want to monitor upgrade performance precisely, we have to use other techniques. We can't rely on AWR data because the AWR packages are invalid during upgrade and they don't work. What happens during a database upgrade? So in RDBMS admin directory, you find a lot of scripts. And basically what's happening during an upgrade, we run upgrade scripts. And the upgrade scripts, for instance, here's an example. They start with C, so C18, I18. And you can look in these scripts, they're all open and you see what gets created or what gets altered. And then we have install scripts. And the install scripts are catalog and cutproc, of course, some others as well, but also an A script, which after catalog and cutproc have been completed, adds extra things we can just add at this stage when catalog and cutproc had been completed.